Journey in Pearl has been amazing. I got a wonderful chance to represent my college as the student brand ambassador for the World Leadership Forum, which was held in Mexico. It was a fully sponsored trip and it was a proud moment for me. There I got a chance to meet the world leaders who came from different fields and backgrounds. During the conference, I got to meet and listen to some of the world leaders who came from so many different backgrounds, like Andy Collin, Monica Florence, and even the person on whose life the movie 127 Hours was built. It was a very life-changing experience and it was full of so much inspiration and motivation.
For a student of fashion, it is a dream to be at the fashion capital of the world. Fortunately for me, I got a chance to be at two. In my first year of college, I won the scholarship to attend a summer course at Domus Academy in Milan. And right after I came back from it, in 3 months' time, I was selected to represent Pearl Academy at the World Business Forum in New York. While I was there, I was living with 29 other students who were from different universities all around the world. We were given training on how to face the camera, how to speak in public. And I also got a chance to host segments of the conference and interview some of these leaders. Today, I can proudly say that Pearl has given me an industry and a global exposure, and I want to utilize this learning to make a mark in the field of marketing.
I think my experience at World Innovation Forum and eventually at Pearl Academy has allowed me to decide what I want to do with my future. We share not only our ideas and not only our projects, but also our day-to-day experiences, which help me to learn a lot about different cultures and to decide if someday maybe I want to go and visit them.
Hi, this is Gaurav Goel. I'm doing my final year in fashion design from Pearl Academy. Recently, I won Will's Debut 2014 and it was an amazing experience there. In Will's Debut, student gets opportunity to present their creativity and talent at the industry level, and it was like after winning that contest, my life has completely changed. And I want to thank Pearl Academy and my teachers who helped me during this journey. And from Will's Debut, I got to learn one thing, that fashion design is not all about just a creativity. It has to be the right balance of creativity, and the main important thing is commercial aspect. So as a student designer, we need to understand the commercial aspect of any design that we are creating in the industry.
I recently did a project with Nokia and Oxfam on plastic bag reduction in Delhi. My college recognized the project and gave me an opportunity and scholarship to represent the college from entire country in Clinton Global Initiative University Phoenix 2014. That's a platform where all the social entrepreneurs and young leaders meet each other. They get sponsors and companies where they can enhance their project. So I represented my project there and my college supported me till the end. It was a life-changing experience for me. I got exposure and met a lot of people who are interested in my project and they want to sponsor it and want to take this project ahead in their country.
Hi, this is Shini Jain and I'm a final year student of fashion designing. In my final year, I got this opportunity to be in Bunka University for IFTI conference. My illustration got selected in one of those international competition. And being there, I realized that having a campus and having all these international equipments helps you a lot during your design field. Being a gold winner of Creativity International Award last year for my packaging purposes, which I'm using in my final year, I'm making garments out of chips packets. Same has been continued for student mentoring program, so I've been called in US to show my final collection in this September after graduating from Pearl.